As I said, Mishrank is also called as bar number. Now, first understand how to conversion. Conversion to Mishrank means some number are in natural form, how we will going to convert it into a Mishrank. And the second topic will be a vice versa of this, Mishrank to normal number means natural number. So first take one example. Suppose there is a number 89. Okay. Now we have to write down this number into a bar number format. This is the natural number. We are going to write down this number into a bar number. So how to write down and why we should write down? We are going to cover two things: why and how. So first we will going to convert why. Suppose let's take one example. In the same example, if I'm going to say 89 multiply with 23, and the second example is 91 multiply with 23. Which one looks easy to you? Because of one, this looks easy, right? And here we have a very big numbers 8 and 9. Here we have one number that is very easy, 1, we don't have to multiply, and 9 is the only number like this. So this is easy. And now what I did here, actually we converted this number into a bar number. So this is actually like this. Okay. So now multiplication will become easy, because this time we have to, instead of multiplying 9 with 3, 9 with 2, here we are multiplying 1 with 3. So we will make our number easier. Now, even we can make this number also, but as I said, complement is always helpful when you have the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? For this kind of number, you don't find it bar. You don't convert this number into a bar number. Don't convert it. Otherwise, instead of making your calculation easy, you will going to make it hard. Why? Because these all numbers are already easy. If you have to add anything in these numbers, if you have to subtract anything, if you have to divide, or if you have to multiply, whatever you do, all these calculation is easy with these small numbers. So actually, we use this bar number concept to make our calculation easy when the number is 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And how it is easy? Because complement of 6 is 4, complement of 7 is 3, complement of 8 is 2, complement of 9 is 1. In that case, instead of multiplying with 6, if we can multiply with 4, that will be easy. Instead of multiplying with 9, we can multiply with 1, and that is easy. So that is the basic concept. So I covered the why. Now why is clear? Why we are doing it? Because we wanted to make our numbers easy. Instead of doing this multiplication, we can do like this. There is many other examples, like suppose there is a number 38 and we are multiplying with 49. So we are going to convert both number into a complement form. So this is become a 42, that is 4 bar, and this 49 will become a 51 bar. Okay. So now look at this. Compared to this number is very easy, like 1, 2, 4, 5. And here we have a 3, 8, 4, 9. So number is exceeding. So what I did, I converted this number into a normal number. Now, next point is how. How we are converting this number into this number. And how I converted the 38 into a 42 bar and 49 into a 51 bar. That we are going to. So now conversion to Mishrank. How? So there is a number 89 and we are going to do convert this natural number into a bar numbers. So first digit is 9. Subtract 10 minus 9 is 1. As I said, you have to always find the complement, and complement what you have, from where you are going to find? You have to find from 10. So whatever the value you will get, you will have to subtract from there. If you are getting 7, just subtract from 7. So 7 minus 10, so complement of 7 is what? 3, and there is a bar on it. Okay, so that is the actual process. If there is a number 6, the complement of 6 is what? 4. 10 minus 6 is. If the number is 8, the complement of 8 is 2. So this is the way you can do the calculus. Now, as you know that 10 minus 9 is 1. So first value I converted, but you have to put down 1, because this is, we are writing in respect of this. So this will shows that is not the actual number. This 1 bar is not the actual number. Actual number was 9, but we converted into a smaller number, that is 1 bar. Now that first part is completed. Now we are going into the second part. And what will be the second part? Now, even we can convert this number into a smaller part, but only I'm interested in converting the first part only. So I converted this. Now, if we are going to stop it here, so what will be the next value? The next value will increase by 1. So whenever you do the complement on one number, means this is the natural number, and we do the complement here, so the next value will increase by plus 1. Okay, so this is 8 plus 1, that is 9, and this is the complement of 89. Got it? Let's understand with one more example. 78. Then what we are going to? Again, 8. So 10 minus 8 is what?
2.
2 and 2 bar. Now this will going to be increased. So 7 will become 8. So bar number of 78 is 8 and 2 bar. Now again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7. Suppose. Now what we are going to do? 10 minus 7
3,
is
7,
3. That is bar.
1,
Even
3.
we can take it as a bar as well if you wanted to. Otherwise you can write down 1 and 3. Okay. So 1, this will become this will going to be increased because we converted this number into a bar number. So 1 plus 1 will become 7, will become a 3. So 1, 3. Now, the same number, if we wanted to convert a 2 bar, then what we are going to do? Again, 10 minus 7, that is 3 bar. Now, this is not 2. This is actually 3. So again, this will going to be subtracted by 10. So 10 minus 3, 7. 3.
So 10 minus
This
3 is 3 and 10 minus 2 or
this is not 2.
mm,
Because if you are going to convert this number into a bar number, so this is converted into a bar number. So now this is 3. So next value will always increase. So this is 2 plus 1 will be 3. Now you have to subtract 10 minus 3.
7, 7.
Now, now next value, I can convert the next value as well, but I'm going to leave it. So this 1 will again going to be added by 1. So this is 2. And this is the complement of 127. Got it? Now, what if we wanted to convert all number into a complement format? Now look at this. Here you will going to find it. Again, a very interesting discussion. So 7, 10 minus 7, that is 3 bar. Clear? Now 10 minus 3, not 2. Why? Because next number will increase. So this is also 7 bar.
7,
Now next value
10
will be
minus
10 minus 2.
2, 8.
That is 8. But there is a bar on that. But as you said, next value will increase by 1. So there is no any next value. So we can consider 0 here. So this 0 will become a plus 1. So now we have a 1 here. And now how we got this 1? Because if there is no any number and we converted all number into a bar number, so obviously we have to take 0 in the last part, and that will going to be increased by 1. So our answer is 187, and there is a bar on each number. So either you can write down like this or you can write down like this. Okay. I hope it is clear too. Using this method, you can converting natural number into a bar number. Okay. So any number converting into a bar number. This is the process. Let's take one more example. If the number are 4 digit, 4, 2, 8, 9, and we are only interested to convert this two number into a bar number. So what will be the ways? 10 minus 9, that is 1. 10 minus 9, 1, and then
3,
this 2 will become 3,
3.
and this 4 is as it is. Okay, because this is only going to increase the last value, not next value. Okay, so 4, 3, 8, 9. Now I covered every type of problem when you are going to deal with natural number to a smaller number. I started with 2 digit, then 3 digit, then 4 digit, and this same process will work for 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever digit you wanted to check. Now here I wanted to discuss very important part, and this is very important when you do the bar number conversion for any algebraic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Why we are going to convert and why you don't want to convert. Look at here in this example. This number was 123, 127, right? Our aim is what? Why we are converting the number
Make it easier.
into to make it easier, right? So in this case, this 7 will become a 3. So obviously this is a smaller number. This 2 will become a 3. That is also fine because altogether this is not so very great changes. Our focus was to convert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into in this
Bar.
form, right? So all those numbers who are 6, 7, 8, 9, we're trying to convert all these numbers into the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? This is our target, and we achieve that because this is the number which having a 7. Now we have a 3. So this is perfect conversion. Now look at this example. Instead of 127, we can make this number 273. That is overall, you will going to see that this number is smaller than this number, right? So converting the all number to the two digit is not good idea because overall I am going to make our calculation hard, right? Why it will be hard? Because we spent a lot of time to converting the number, and then again we are getting a bigger number. So what is the benefit of converting? No benefit. But why this is the bigger number? This is bigger because, as I said, this is the number that is 2, and I told you always convert all this kind of number into a bar number, not 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise you will get what? Bigger number, right? So we have converted this number, and that is a bigger number. Here also you can see that this also become a 2. Now, the same case you can see that when we converted the whole number was 127, and when you converted whole number, it will become a 4-digit number altogether, a very different and very big number. In that case, this is also not a good option to convert, right? So all this logic you have to apply when you are converting the number into natural number to a bar number, because your motto is to make the number easy. As you can see in this case, number was 89, I converted into a 91. So this calculation is very easy now. In case of 78, I converted into 8 and 2. So marginally this is easier because this is all number are 7 and 8. Now one number is less than 5. So we can say this will be easier. Now for your example only, I took this example. Now look at this. 4289 is the number, right? And I converted only 2 digit. And now look at this, how easy it will become. Actually, there is a bar on this number. Without bar, you can't write down 1 1. So there is a bar on this, and we got the number instead of 4289, we got a very smaller number 4311. We have the multiplication with 1 or addition with 1 or subtraction with 1 is quite easy. Now, to make our point more valid, I will going to take one more example where every number is greater than 5. Okay. So let's take the number like this, 7896, and we are going to convert this number into a bar number. So 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Now this is 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. And then 10 minus 8 is
2.
2. And the last value, because we converted all number into a bar number, so last value will become a 1. Because that was 0. Last value will be 0. If nothing is there in the left side, 0. So it will become 1. And all these are having a bar. Now look at this example. Which number you find it easy to calculate? Because this number is look like very smaller to multiply, 12104. If you have to do it with the multiplication, you will do it very easily compared with 7896. So why it is going to happen? Because all numbers was greater than 5. So I took this that I have to convert this number into a bar number because our calculation will become easy. So here I covered the two things, how and why. Why? Because number will become easy, and how? To just subtract with 10 and next value will increase by 1. So this is the example. Next, we will going to learn about how to convert bar number or Mishrank into a normal number. Okay.